Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published just 4 days ago, on July 16, 2026, introduces a way to turn online tutorials and articles into AI actions. The paper is titled RESOURCE2SKILL, Distilling Executable Agent Skills from Human-Created Multimodal Resources. This new framework improves an agent's overall score by 12 percentage points over agents without skills. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 illustrates the overall workflow and performance of the RESOURCE2SKILL framework. At the top, raw resources like tutorials and code are distilled into a structured language model wiki. Below that, the representative outputs on the left highlight how skills improve final quality compared to the baseline without skills. Finally, the radar chart on the right shows substantial performance gains across all 7 software domains when agents utilize these distilled skills. Figure 2 details the framework's pipeline, from raw source extraction to automated evaluation. First, diverse inputs like video tutorials and code repositories pass through quality gates that check for completeness and executability before entering the structured language model wiki. From there, the agent browses and adapts these skills for specific software domains before a vision judge evaluates the final rendered outputs in the benchmark protocol shown at the bottom. Table 1 compares the framework's performance across 4 model backends and 7 software domains. In the first section, using GPT 5.5, the skill-equipped agent achieves a 66% average score, outperforming both the baseline and specialized agentic harnesses, which are prepackaged software setups for running code. For GPT 5.4, we see similar trends. This is especially clear in the Unreal Engine 5 column, where skill access more than doubles the score. Table 2 demonstrates how adding online skill acquisition, which means extracting skills dynamically on the fly during task execution, protects the agent when it encounters unfamiliar challenges. For standard tasks, this addition yields only a minor boost. However, on novel tasks lacking offline coverage, online acquisition increases the overall score from 41% to 63%. That is a substantial jump of nearly 22 percentage points. Table 3 demonstrates that video tutorials are the most critical source for training capable software agents. This source mix ablation tests which combination of input media, such as videos or articles, is most valuable, since each offers unique clues. For instance, excluding video from the resource pool causes the average performance score to drop to 59%. In contrast, combining all source families yields the highest average score of 69%. Well, Table 3 showed which source materials matter most. Table 4 presents a representation ablation, which means testing how removing certain parts of a skill's data, such as code or visuals, impacts performance. The first row demonstrates that using text alone yields an average score of 65%. The highlighted bottom row shows that presenting the full multimodal entry, combining text, visuals, and code, achieves the highest score of 69%. Ultimately, converting diverse human tutorials into structured, multimodal memories makes software agents far more competent and adaptable. That wraps up this look at agent skill distillation. I am Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.